What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you on Wednesday, November 3rd, 2021. It is currently 12:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this lead was posted today. Can you imagine? Now, this lead is regarding a senior data engineer position. Okay, give me 1 second. And we are back. No, it is a full-time lead, full-time position. It is in the category of design, and you can work anywhere in the world. Can I draw the world? You can work anywhere in the world. Okay, that was supposed to be North and South America and the dotted islands of the Caribbean, but you get the picture. Cool? Awesome. So, the senior data engineer, the SDE, will lead the expansion, development, and operations of our data pipeline architecture, integrations, and data transfer for Internet Society systems or tools. Again, the location is remote, meaning you work from anywhere. Even if you're on the toilet, make sure you have your laptop with you. That's just not sanitary, though. Use the bathroom and then wash your hands and come use the laptop. Yeah. But you can literally work from anywhere as long as your internet is up, and yeah, great. Now, essential duties. You'll build, deploy, and maintain infrastructure required for extraction, transformation, and loading, which is ETL, extraction, transformation, and loading of data from a wide variety of data sources. Ability to structure and combine data from different sources. So different sources will have information, and you need to bring those pieces of information together, essentially consolidating everything. You need to have that ability. You will identify, analyze, design, and implement solutions to automate manual reporting processes and data delivery. So again, identify, analyze, and design, and then implement solutions to automate manual reporting processes and data delivery. So the company is trying to get things more fluid, more streamlined, and anything that's manual, you need to convert it to a digital system so that it runs by itself. Okay? Have strong analytical skills to work with stakeholders across our organization to assist with measurement and data-related technical solutions and support their data infrastructure needs. You'll support development of visualizations and dashboards as needed. You contribute to the development of Internet Society's data management and integration strategy. You must be self-directed and adaptable in a fast-paced environment with evolving needs and other duties as assigned. Now, the desired qualifications, meaning like on paper, the skills you need to have. The ideal candidate will have 10 years of experience, right? And proficiency in the following areas. Now, remember, they are looking for a senior data engineer, senior, emphasis on senior. So that's why they want someone with 10 years of experience and proficiency in the following areas. And these areas are Python, all right? Python 3, Python 3.x. Primary libraries include pandas, requests, Asyncio or Asyncio, I'm not sure how that's pronounced, SQL Alchemy, PyTest, Falcon. Relational and non-relational databases, Postgres, MySQL, MongoDB. Pipeline orchestration tools, Apache Airflow. Cloud server deployment and management, so AWS, DigitalOcean, Linux-based, or Linux. Object storage solutions, DigitalOcean Object Store, S3. Docker, CI or CD tools, including Jenkins and Travis CL. My bad. 1 second. That should be Travis CI. My bad. A bit distracted. Version control software, Git, GitHub, or GitLab. Developing data models and visualizations in BI tools, so Looker. Message queuing services, AWS SQS, RabbitMQ, Redis, Celery. Additional experience or familiarity with one or more of the following domains is a plus. Data warehouses, so Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift. Developing visualizations using JavaScript, so Leaflet, Plotly, D3.js. Working with Salesforce, NetSuite, and SAP Concur APIs. Stream processing, Apache Kafka, Apache Spark, and PySpark. Web scraping, Selenium, Splinter, Beautiful Soup. Commitment to the Internet Society's mission, values and objectives. Experience working with a globally distributed workforce and ability to work across time zone. Excellent interpersonal skills with the ability to interact positively in a multicultural and multidisciplinary environment. And simply, if you are a senior data engineer, press that button to apply. It doesn't get easier than that. Or if you want to share with a friend. Speaking of sharing, if you like the content that I've been posting recently, and I am going to be mixing it up a bit going into the Christmas season. But if you do like the content, go ahead and share it with somebody. And even if it's not just a person, maybe you're on a platform or you're in a WhatsApp group or you're in a group with friends or whatever, share it to your socials. Somebody might benefit from it. And maybe somebody they know might benefit from it when they share it. This channel does help people make money online. This is not financial advice. Okay? This is just me sharing information I come across on a day-to-day basis with you guys. I am not affiliated with these companies if I share about a company. The only one I'm affiliated with can be found in the link in the first link in the description below, the first and second link. Those two I'm affiliated with. But this particular lead, I'm not an affiliate for this company or anything. So this is just me putting it out there, helping you guys make money online. All right, guys? So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, share. Go make money online. Follow this channel to make money online. Check the first link in the description below to make money online. We're all about making money online. We're into money. Money, 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 money. Why you want that money? Most people want the money to actually have their time freed up. Okay? Money is of no value unless it's used. And different people want different things in life. Some want to stay home with their children. Some want to have the amazing tropical getaway that they always wanted. There are some people who wish they had money going into Christmas to buy the PS5 or the new Samsung Galaxy S22 or whatever the name of it is, or the new iPhone 13. There are people who would love to possess these things, who would want better quality living, but they can't afford that. And so I am here helping people realize that there are so many opportunities online to make money that you can literally do it from anywhere. And there are opportunities where you don't need a college degree. Many of them are there, so you can make money online. In fact, the first link I told you about is an opportunity for you to start making money semi-passively without having a degree, without having any major skills. You literally follow the training step by step, implement, you must take action for it to work, and when it works, you will be amazed. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for helping me help you make money online. And I will catch up with you in the next video. Let me know where you're watching from, since this is a video about working from any country in the world. Let me know where you're watching from. I like meeting new people. I like hearing from you. Continue to stay safe. The pandemic isn't quite over yet, so continue to stay safe. And I will definitely see you in the next video. Peace.